Hi, my name is Robert Schieffer, and I want to show you about my Web 2.0 lesson called Dictionary Tools. I'm using the second grade standard of L2.4E, which is use glossaries and beginning dictionaries, both print and digital, to determine or clarify the meaning of words and phrases. Students are going to be using G Suite after this lesson to create a Google slide and collaborate with one another. So the lesson part, I go over the meaning of word tools and use an anticipatory set to see if they can collaborate and figure out what tool they can use to find meanings of words. Here's my learning target and success criteria. And once I introduce them to the dictionary using learnersdictionary.com and a print dictionary, students will use their Chromebooks or a print dictionary depending on the next slide. The next slide is called Power Outage, and each table will be selected at least twice during the lesson to where they will not be able to use internet and will have to use the print dictionary, which will utilize their alphabetizing skills as well. They will work through a series of sentences with context clues, finding the meaning of the word, the part of speech, and once again, if they get a power outage, they will not be able to use their Chromebook and will have to use the print dictionaries. We go through a series of 5 or 6 exercises, and as a culminating activity, students will use the G Suite, specifically Google Slides, to create a slideshow of 5 slides demonstrating knowledge of the dictionary. Students will be assigned a word each at the end of the lesson so that they can create their own slide. Once they are given their word, they will create 5 slides. Their first slide will have the word and the meaning of the word. Their next slide will have the part of speech of the word. The third slide, they will create their own sentence using the word. The fourth slide, they will either describe the word or use a picture if possible, preferably a picture that they can find using Google Images. And finally, they will need to demonstrate a non-example of the word. This has been my G Suite lesson, and the final part of it, in terms of collaboration utilizing Web 2.0, is the sharing feature. If you type in a student's name or email address, they will be able to share it with one another, especially if they are already in the Google Classroom. And secondly, once each student has completed their slideshow, they will need to respond to at least one student in class using the comment feature. They will give one compliment, and they will find one area where the student could possibly improve. And this has been my Web 2.0 lesson on dictionary and glossary use. Thank you for watching.